I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan sponge cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 grams of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder for your dry mix. For the wet components, prepare 240 milliliters of your favorite plant milk, 80 milliliters of neutral vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious, fluffy cake. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, and baking powder until they are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently combine the plant milk, vegetable oil, and apple cider vinegar. Once both mixtures are ready, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Fold them together carefully, just until no streaks of flour remain, to ensure a tender crumb. It's time to bake. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a 20 centimeter round cake tin by lightly greasing and flouring it to prevent sticking. Carefully pour your prepared batter into the tin. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's perfectly done when a skewer inserted into the center comes out completely clean. Once baked, let your beautiful sponge cake cool in its tin for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before you transfer it. Then, carefully invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Patience is key here. Ensure it's fully cooled before adding any frosting or glaze. A simple vegan buttercream or a light dusting of powdered sugar makes for a delightful finish. Enjoy your homemade vegan treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.